Smile, Serge.
Oh, no.
It was small and it felt small. It was kind of like a cubicle kitchen. So we were looking for more light, more air, more of a bigger room, and more usability. It wasn't very user friendly. The company was doing some houses around us, and we're like, okay, well, let's get a quote, because it was just the right time. So we opened up this wall, turned it into a bar, moved the refrigerator onto that wall, closed up the back door, moved the back door to the window, and now we have a nice airy kitchen.
Right?
So Joey and Kevin showed up and started pulling cabinets off the walls. They're like, we're getting this done.
Okay, so this was a wall that went all the way up.
Yeah.
So then you created a beam.
We changed the age of 12 foot it was.
Uh-huh.
And we put a 16.
All the way across.
Mm-hmm.
And then you made it not a window. Cut.
Sergio was amazing, and we sang his praises to Kevin and Joey because he really knows his stuff, and he's really efficient, and he's a pleasure to have in your home. You're having people in your home, and so he was great to have around too. The countertop guys were amazing. Just what they did and how they did it. They set up in the front yard and they just knocked us all out, and it was like, done, here's your counters. And that was amazing to watch. So yeah, everything was fantastic. Just the whole process was. We went over every little detail to make sure everything was right. We were like, oh, we got a new kitchen. We're gonna host Thanksgiving. My mom and my brother came, and it was really great having the bar where people could sit and talk, and being able to be in the living room and still talk to the people in the kitchen. It changed the feel of our home, actually. And I've had friends over who were like, it feels more inviting now. So like the flow of the room is even better than it was before.
Yeah.
So it's changed our whole home, actually.
That's cool.
Yeah.
The kitchen is the heart of the home.
It is because like it's our main room, and this is where people hang out, and it's just now it's a big open inviting space. So